Hey, welcome back. In this video, we will discuss how we can preserve the function metadata while using the decorators. Okay, so in case if you do not know, every function in Python has two different attributes, basically the dunder name and the dunder doc. By using those, we can access the metadata of the function. Okay, so here, as you can see, here we are having the greet function, right? So I will just create a docstring here. So a simple function to greet John. Okay. All right. This is good. And here I will add another docstring as well. So this is the wrapper function. Okay. Inside the decorator. All right. Okay, so before moving forward, what I will do, I will create a simple function. So that my function, okay, and it will not take anything and return something like hello world. Okay, what I'll do, I will add the docstring here as well. So returns hello world. All right, so let's do a simple function that returns hello world. All right, so first of all, let's see how we can print the metadata of this function. So print, and here my function dot double underscore name double underscore, and then we can do the doc as well. Okay. All right, so this is how we can access the function metadata. Run the program. We are getting my function for the function name. Okay, and then we are getting a simple function that returns hello world. Simple enough. So as you can see, by using these attributes, the dunder name and the dunder doc, we can access the function metadata. Okay, so this is all good. But now let's see what happens for this greet function. So this greet function has this decorator here, which is change case. Okay, so now let's do something like this. So print greet dot double underscore name double underscore. Okay, and then we are doing the doc as well. Okay, so what we are expecting here, we are expecting the name will be greet and the doc will be this docstring, right? So now if I run the program, we are getting wrapper. This is the wrapper function inside the decorator. So what exactly is happening? We are not getting the metadata for this particular greet function. We are getting the metadata for this wrapper function. And why is that? Because inside of this wrapper function, we are calling this function, right, with the args and the keyword arguments. And that is why we are getting the name of the wrapper function and the docstring of the wrapper function. So this is not good, right? So in case if you are basically trying to write a library and you are using decorators heavily there inside of your Python library, then this will be a little bit problematic, right? To fix this, what we can do, we are having a built-in module for that. Okay, so here what we have to do, on the top we have to import from functools, import the wrap or wraps. Okay, so it is with S. All right, now what we have to do, while using our decorator here, we have to decorate this wrapper here. Okay, so we have to do this one @wraps, and here we have to pass the function which we are getting from our decorator here. So func. Okay, So here what we are doing, we are decorating our wrapper function here inside of the decorator itself. Okay. So now if I now run the program, as you can see, now we can access our function metadata. So we are getting greet and then a simple function to greet John. Okay. So we are getting the metadata for our greet function here. Okay. So in that way, we can preserve the metadata of our decorated functions in Python. Okay.